everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing another acrylic set with a simple design, a simple marble design. I'm sure you guys are used to my marbling technique, and I'll be doing this marble design with acrylic powder and some gold foil. My client wanted a custom lilac color, which I don't have, so I quickly mix some of my acrylic colors that I have, acrylic powders I have, to get this particular color. So I'll be doing the marble design on just the ring fingers, while the other fingers will have the plain lilac acrylic powder. So this is going to be an all acrylic set. I'll just be using a gel top coat to finish the set. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all, so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. If there's any topic you would like me to work on, any tutorial you'd like me to do, kindly leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'm going to be doing my best to work on the tutorial. My acrylic brush, the nail foil I'm using, the triangular tray that I'm using, and also the monomer container that I'm using, I bought them all from AliExpress. So if you need any of this, I'll try to leave the link in the description box. I got this a long time ago, like 2-3 years ago, so I don't think I'll still remember the link, but if I can, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box. And if I don't, you can just go to AliExpress and search for any of these things and you'll get it. I'll be capping the foil with clear acrylic powder. I made sure that I used very light acrylic powder underneath, so by the time I'll be applying the clear acrylic powder, it will not be too bulky. I'd like to thank all of you for always coming back to watch my content. My new subscribers, thank you for deciding to join this family. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share to anyone you know might be interested in learning something new.